In this video, you will learn how to delete your XM account. Log into your XM account, sign into your XM account using your registered email and password through the XM website or mobile app. Withdraw your remaining funds. Before closing your account, transfer any remaining balance to your bank or payment method to ensure no funds are left behind. Go to the support section, navigate to support or help center in your XM account dashboard. Submit an account closure request. Use the support form or live chat option to request a closure of your account, then include your account details for verification. Verify your identity. XM may ask for verification documents due to the account holder request closure. Confirm account deletion. Once verified, XM will process your request and permanently delete your account. You should receive a confirmation email once the process is complete. Now you know how to delete your XM account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.